How many sevens are there in the group or in the product of 357 and 60? In this problem, I will show you two different methods on how you can solve this problem. So the first one is the long process, wherein you have to multiply first 357 and 60. So because you need to get the product of this two numbers and then find for how many sevens you can get from this product. So 357 times 60 divided by 7. If you are going to multiply now 357 times 60, that will give us a result of, you can just copy the 0. Multiplying now 6 and 7, that is equivalent to 42. So there is a need for us to regroup the 4. And then 30 plus 4 is 34. Then you have to regroup again the 3 there. 18 plus the 3 is equivalent to 21. So the product that we are getting here is 21,420. And since you are to find for how many sevens, that means you have to divide this number into or by 7. If we would do that, dividing 21,420 by 7, so we can have first the 21 here, that results to 3, and then bring down 4, that will now become 0, and then 42 by 7, that becomes or gives us a 6, and then another 0. Okay, that is by making use of the division algorithm. Now, if you cannot do that mentally, you can do it by simply doing the procedure of dividing 21,420 by 7. Okay, so 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 7, that is now 21. This is doing now the division algorithm. Okay, bring down the 4, and of course that will become 0. And then you, instead of multiplying 0 times 7, which results to 0, just go directly in bringing down 2. So 42 divided by 7 gives us a 6. So 6 times the 7 is equal to 242. Okay, and then we can now bring down again 0, and dividing 0 by 7, the answer that we are getting is equivalent to 0. So the answer to our question is 3,060. Now, the other procedure that I will be teaching you is the cancellation process. So this is possible if one of the factors given is divisible by the number that you are going to use. So try to observe the given numbers. We have 357 and the other one is 60. So after multiplying, we divide by 7. So instead of going through the long process, we can do it by the cancellation process. So as you observe, the 60 cannot be divided by 7. They are not compatible numbers, while the 357 is obviously compatible with 7, because 357 when divided by 7 gives you a number which has no remainder, and that is 51. So if you divide 357 by 7, the answer that you are getting is 51. So the 7 now, when divided by 7, is also equal to 1. So our problem is simply down to 51 times 60. And if you are going to multiply 51 times 60, we just have to copy there the 0. Multiply now 6 and 1, that results to 6. Multiply 6 and 5, that results to 30. So we are getting the same answer, okay, doing the long process, okay, which is 3,060. So this is the simpler method on how to find or to solve problems which are similar to this problem.